RXRX Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. So in this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether Recursion Pharmaceuticals stock is a buy or not for me. So watch till right around the end. Specifically, this, it's not bullish. And look, I'm trying to be kind of not nice. Context, I've been in the market for 5 years. I've done 41,000 videos, all documented on my YouTube channel. So you can clearly check it out. Look at this. Like, I also have like a receipt and proof that I actually called this thing out beforehand. Here it is. It was made at $6 at the time, $6 2 months ago. Now we're $4, but then I got like one more sale when it was like $6 yet again. Right, but yeah. Oh, is it the same freaking thing? This shouldn't be the same thing. What the hell? But yeah, definitely will have to find the other idea, but it's still such a bearish market for me. I have previous receipts here as well. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye, Najee.